Hi everyone, my name is Martins. Did you know an average American spend hundreds of dollars every week on things they don't really need? Well, this situation is not different in other parts of the world, perhaps where you're also watching from. There is a staggering amount of money just vanishing into the thin air, which you can keep and use in solving problems or investing to make your life much better, isn't it? So if you are feeling overwhelmed by your finances, don't worry. You're in the right place. Or you want to break free from this paycheck to paycheck cycle? Yes, this is a video for you. So I urge you, buckle up, because there are a lot to be learned today, and we are embarking on a challenging journey. The No Spend Challenge 2024. It is a challenge, so you have to be disciplined and watch this video to the end. Of course, if you watch it to the end, I also have a gift for you. The question is, what is the No Spend Challenge? Imagine going a whole month, from day to day, a whole month without spending money on non-essentials. That is the core idea of No Spend Challenge. That means you only pay for things that are necessary, such as your rent, your utilities, your groceries, and other necessities. But everything else, you won't spend on them because they are not necessary. And of course, you put aside impulse buying. Now, why do we need No Spend Challenge? The reason is clear. There are tons and tons of money that No Spend Challenge will help you to save. You have to reset your spending habits. All of us fall victims of impulse buying sometimes. The challenge, will help you to identify the necessary things you need to spend your money on and redirect the other money toward achieving your goals. So what are your goals? Can you let me know? Please drop in the comment section below. It will also help you to pay down debt. This, challenge will help you to free up some money. Of course, save up some money, because you only spend money on what is necessary, and you have a lot of other money to spend to settle your credit card or settle the loan you have on ground. Of course, when you follow this advice of No Spend Challenge 2024, what exactly do you think you will use the money for? Please drop it in the comment section. It will help others. Perhaps they wanted to use it on something that they would like to use it on something that are not fruitful. But by the time you show thoughts in the comment section, it may just redirect someone out there to put the money in the right place. Another thing is to build your savings. Every penny we save is actually every penny we earn. This challenge can jumpstart your emergency fund or even help you to save for big purchase. What do you have in mind that you want to do that need huge amount of money, and you are thinking of where to get the finance from? Please share with us in the comment section, and this video will help you to get the money. But the question is, can you really save thousands? It depends. While some people can do that effortlessly, others may have it very big and difficult task to save thousands of money. But that doesn't mean, because if you belong to the other side of the river or other side of the group that cannot save thousands easily, it doesn't mean that this video is worth nothing. No, it is not worthwhile. Why? Because practicing this no spending challenge in 2024 is a win-win situation for you. Why? It is because it gives you, one, financial awareness of your money. This video will help you to gain a deeper understanding. So, when you start the no spend challenge, it will help you to get a very deeper understanding of your finances. That is where your money actually goes every month. You might be surprised that even those things you feel like they are just little things now, I spend money on just little things. By the time it helps you to count the cost or cut down those things, you discover that you have a lot of money spent on them before. You had spent a lot of money on them before, and that money is coming back to you. For instance, it may just be like drinks, it may just be like eating out, maybe like smoking and other things. I want to give you 4 tips now that can help you to succeed. 1, set clear rules. Yes, financial clear rules. What this means is that decide what you allow yourself to do with the money you have. You can get some cash with you, maybe every day, and decide this is the cash I'm going to spend today. This cash on hand. Then that be it. You use that. When you want to feel, you have these feelings, these impulse feelings to buy what you did not budget for, you may just look at it. No. This money is for this and that and that. And this one can take me out there and bring me back home here. And this is what I'm going to spend. So it help you to save some money for yourselves. The point is, define your financial spending boundaries. Another tip is to plan your meals. Eating out is a huge expenses. So plan your delicious, budget-friendly meals every month. Stop eating out. Plan it, what you're gonna use your money for. Buy those food items, cook it yourself. Tip number 3, get creative for entertainment. Yes, when we want to embark on entertainment, we want others to be, want to explore the creativities of others. But you yourself can get creative for entertainment. How do we mean? Maybe you want to, for instance, visit a museum, and the museum, there are some that are free and some that are paid for. Why not make use of the free one instead of going for the one you're going to pay and spend that money on it? Maybe a movie night. Why not make a movie night at home instead of going to places you're going to spend the money watching movie? The same thing goes with game. You can choose to bring the games home, games you want to play with your friends, invite your friends, and people watch it together, or play it together rather. So the truth is, you can get tons of entertainment, funds, and the rest of other things without spending a dime. Tip number 4, find accountability partner. Yes, it is said that we are an average of 5 of our friends. That shows how much influence our friends have on us. So, do the challenge with a friend who have the same financial mindset, who have the same rich mindset, who have the same money mindset. And doing so with such a friend will help you to reach your goals and help you to be motivated. The truth is that the no spend challenge isn't about depriving yourself. It's about taking control of your finances. This challenge will help you to free from mindless spending that people are embarking on today, and help you to build a healthier relationship with your money. Someone is asking, what is a healthier relationship with money? When you have money, or you earn money, and you use the money to buy this and buy that and buy that immediately, you don't have this attachment to that money. You just spend them. So the relationship is not cordial, it's not friendly, it's not healthier. But when you attach value to the money, you use it to make even money or even invest. So that means you have value for the money. So let me know, when you have the money freed up, what do you think you would do with those excess cash? Spending on cars, buy a house, reinvest it, or what will you do with it? Please let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to like this video, share it with others to be able to benefit from it. Of course, we have much more for you on the issue of personal financial tips and more challenges for you. So please subscribe to this channel, share with your friends. Never can tell you save or help a soul who is undergoing financial difficulties. And as I promised you before, now copy the link in the description. Of course, there are links. Copy the 2 or 3 or more links you want, paste them in your browser, and claim your free digital money. It may just be the seed you need to explore financially. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.